Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very, very eventful day on this one, although I will say that from a presentation standpoint, a relatively tricky chart to talk about, as there is a whole lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you're buying up there and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, then from that perspective, the chart looks absolutely terrible. Now, if you care about things from the big picture point of view, I understand that from these highs, there has been a large pullback. But from the bigger picture point of view, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time. And that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price actually pulls back some more and comes down here to $14. Again, not saying it'll occur, but price comes down here to 14, behaves like that, and then starts to curl back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down here. And off screen, you'd have lows even lower than that. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 14. Again, I fully understand if you're a day trader and you bought right there, you don't care about these stair steps. So that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from the bigger picture point of view. So yes, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as you're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and ultimately build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.